ViewPAC, Display, Operation, and Control Units from ICP DAS USA. ViewPAC is a programmable automation controller which combines display, operation, and control in one unit. ViewPAC provides 2 CPU types, 3 OS solutions, and several software development toolkits. This makes ViewPAC a good solution for factory automation, building automation, machine automation, manufacturing management, and environment monitoring. From simple LED message display, touch HMI devices, to complex touch panel PC PAC, ICP DAS USA provides you with the most diverse choices and the best value. ViewPAC provides the perfect solutions to integrate HMI, data acquisition and control in one pack. Windows Embedded Compact 7 based ViewPAC is equipped with a Cortex-A8 CPU, TFT LCD, and a variety of connectives including dual GB Ethernet, USB port, RS-232, and RS-485 interface. CE7 is a componentized, hard real-time, high-performance, and highly reliable operating system. It delivers rich user experiences and a unique connection to Windows PCs, servers, services, and devices. The Win-GRAF ViewPAC series is a CE7-based Win-GRAF soft logic ViewPAC that combines computing and operator interface into a single unit. It is capable of running Win-GRAF software to develop logic control and also provide a free HMI software, eLogger, to edit the HMI. Using the Win-GRAF software with ICP DAS USA's Win-GRAF packs, the control monitor systems can easily implement the industrial level of data acquisition and logic control in various industry fields. The ViewPAC also features the powerful InduSoft Web Studio. InduSoft is the most powerful integrated collection of e-automation development tool that includes all the building blocks needed to develop HMI and SCADA systems. Compared to traditional IPC PLC solutions, ViewPAC reduces overall system cost, space, and gives you all the best features of IPC and PLC. Compared with traditional HMI and PLC solutions, ViewPAC reduces overall system cost, space, and gives you all the best features of HMIs and PLC. To learn more about our ViewPAC products, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.